we got a call and the aerator light is on. This one right here. If the red light would be on, the dose tank would be high water. We open up the control panel, shut the power off, so we don't get shocked. That's a very healthy looking system. Chocolate brown. You never want it black. Black is dead bacteria. This is one system you have to use gloves. All right, this is not the funnest job in the world. All right, here we take the union off. And we pull the aerator out. Now, how do we know the aerator's bad? The two typical issues is weak windings where the spinner stops, or else the lower seal goes out and it will trip the breaker then. All right, we're going to start by taking this thing off. This piece of PVC we don't throw away because we need that for the new aerator. Now we'll unhook the wires. Always pays to double check, make sure our power is turned off. Okay, now we pull the wire out and we find a new aerator. First thing I think about, this little puppy here's got some weight. That's a good sign. We're putting the legs on. 3 of them make a little tripod. Here we have a stainless steel leg that's snugged in tight so they don't come off down in the tank. We have a heavy duty stainless steel case. We have a special design non-clog spinner on the bottom. Take care that we don't cross thread the PVC into the casting. All right, now we're ready to wire it up. We feed this up through the middle. Pull this thing up. Take all precaution to get our wires hooked into correctly. Tug down on them, tug up. Make sure we have a good connection. All right, now we're ready to turn it on. Turn the power on, the alarm, and the compressor. And it's whirring away. Oh, that thing's quiet. And we're ready to drop it on in. And we need to make sure that union is tight so we don't have any water that leaks in there. Okay, now we turn it on. Alarm, compressor. Make sure all the pumps are on. The aerator's running. Now we check the amps. 2.0. That's good. You never want it more than 2.2. That is good uniform bubbling. Okay, these systems have 30 socks going around the outside edge. The water comes up through the socks or the filters, provides a place for the aerobic bacteria to attach to. The filters will clog eventually. So here we have some new filters. We get our surge bowl back in. This little cap came off, so we put that back on. And finally the anti-foaming piece. We put that on. Tuck our wires back in where they belong. And we put our lid on.